Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30188, and this is the creator, Kitten. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, like these Polybag build-alongs, please think about subscribing because I do one a day, and the current plan is to continue doing one a day for the foreseeable future. So, if you like this kind of thing, there are more on the way. Also, I should mention, if you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Brickset. I'm sorry, you can find it on Bricklink and Amazon. And I have also included the Brickset link if you just want general information about the set. There is also a link to a Google Docs spreadsheet that hopefully will be mostly or fully updated, that will have information about LEGO Polybag build-alongs past, present, and future. If you want to find out about upcoming ones or past ones, that kind of thing. There's actually also a playlist on YouTube that I made that has all of these on it as well. So anyway, just another option if you want to check it out. This, I want to say, is number 123. So there's 122 more of these already out there if you are so inclined and you want to check them out. And I gotta tell you, so far my experience is there are like some polybags that are like really awesome and like just amazing, and there's some of them that suck, that just are not very good. And I mean, I guess that's, I mean, part of it's going to be my personal taste in polybags and Lego sets in general, but the other thing is I think that there's just, you know, sometimes, I mean, there are sets that are better than others, and there are sets that are more fun than others to put together. And so, I mean, I would imagine there are also other, you know, concerns that get factored in to the building of sets. Like if you have, like, say you're doing, well, one thing that comes to mind is like there's like it was like I forgot the number, but it was the Thor Cosmic Cube Polybag, and it's one of those things like, I think the reason for the Polybag was to get the Thor minifig, and that's pretty much the only reason. And so the Polybag itself, it just wasn't, I mean, it wasn't particularly interesting. It was like Thor plus a couple of random bricks. And, I mean, there was like a little bit of activity in it, but it was kind of just sort of meh. Not an exceptional one, if that makes sense. And then, like, other polybags, though, I've been really surprised by. Like, I know I've mentioned it before, but, like, I've discovered that I, like, really like I really like a lot of the vehicles. Alright. So, that's a weird choice. So, they put two of these, and then we put this, and this. Is it going to be offset, maybe? Let's see. Okay. It's kind of weird. I feel like I have a three-eyed cat coming, but I'm guessing that's not the case. It's not going to be a three-eyed cat. Maybe it's not going to be a three-eyed cat. That's going to be a totally different build if we have a three-eyed cat. But anyway, let's see. Let's see if our cute kitten is a mutant cute kitten or not. You know, come to think of it, it might be kind of fun to make a mutant three-eyed kitten. Alright. So, we gotta make a kitten face now. So, we need an eyeball that's gonna be hopefully looking in a not crazy eye direction. And another eyeball. That's not where the eyeball's gonna go. So, okay, we're not gonna have like a Triclops kitten, which is somewhat disappointing. Alright, so we got our kitty, and the kitten is going to have a nose, a little pink nose, and some whiskers. And by whiskers I mean they're called levers. But, what the heck. Whisker, and whisker. And then, like so. And then this sticks on to the face, like so. So this is our kitty face. It doesn't look too bad, I guess. Not quite as exciting as the three-eyed cat I was hoping for, but one can't always get what one wants in that particular case. Alright, so next we're going to make the body, it looks like. And I so see making 4 legs in my future. So, we make the legs, or sorry, we make the body, we pop on these connectors that are soon going to be connected to legs. Like so. And so that takes care of these. And then that. And this. And the connector is going to obviously connect to a tail very soon. Got that. And the back of our kitten. And one more of these. This is where the head's going to connect, I'm assuming. And then we make a tail. Like so. So we have our cat tail for our cute, not three-eyed kitten. Like so. Alright. And lastly, we make the feet. So to make the feet, did I miss something? Oh, I did. There's supposed to be these little cheese slope things right here. That and like so. You know, it's always a good indicator that you missed something if you look over to the extra pieces and there's like an even number plus 1 of something. It's like, oh, I forgot something there. Alright, so we make the little kitten feet. 1 little foot. 2, 3, 4 little kitten feet. And 3. And 4. And so we now assemble our kitten. There should be a Voltron joke in this somewhere about I'll form the leg. And then lastly, it's like I'll form the head. And you got a kitty! Such as it is. I feel like this is one of those short-legged kittens. Yeah. And obviously not like I feel like the kitty's sort of a lowrider kitty. Yeah, anyway, extra pieces wise, we have these left, and this I'm certain is an eyeball. And kind of cool. Not too bad. I'm not like thrilled with the cute kitten. I think what it was is my initial disappointment of not having a three-eyed mutant cat. But definitely something we can make happen. And that's kind of interesting. That's a bit more involved version of the kitty. Or maybe that's a cat. Anyway, let me know what you think. Are you in the market for a cute kitten? I don't know. It's interesting. I don't know if it's really my deal. Now, the three-eyed cat. we would have been onto something. Anyway, if you have any questions or suggestions or comments, let me know down in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.